Female hair reduction is as devastating for women as for men, maybe more so. Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about treatments for female hair loss. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. The reason is a woman's hair is her crowning glory. She uses her hair as an adornment but also as an extension of herself. If you've ever had a bad hair day, you know what I mean. One of the first things that many people notice is your hair. We will discuss the pattern of female hair loss, some treatments that are available and some general tips to curb or stop hair loss. Female hair patterns. Female pattern baldness is different from male pattern baldness. Females experience an overall thinning of the hair and loss at the crown of the head or where they most often part their hair. This occurs for reasons such as aging, illness, or hormonal changes among other things. Treatments for female hair. Rogaine, minoxidil, for women is a product made for women because of their unique needs. It is effective but it may be longer than 8 weeks before you begin to see results. There are other products available such as sprays, medication, and shampoos. Natural supplements are available especially for women and may include ingredients such as herbs, vitamins, and minerals. Natural products are safer, have very few side effects, and are less expensive than prescriptive treatments. Many women use wigs, hair extensions, or weaves to give the illusion of a full head of hair. Hair pieces should not be stitched to the scalp as serious infection and scarring can occur. Tips to prevent or halt female hair reduction. For women who have longer hair, many tend to tie it back or put it into a ponytail. Done often enough, hair can weaken and break off. Pulling it back too tightly or wearing it up can also cause hair loss or breakage. When medium to long length hair is washed, there is a tendency for it to get tangled. Many women comb through the knots, pulling and tugging the comb through the hair. Hair breaks and can be pulled out. It is best to use a conditioner when washing hair to reduce tangling. Too frequent washing and blow drying of the hair will also cause hair loss. It may be noted at first in the amount of hair that is in your comb or brush when you groom your hair. Blow drying your hair too often is also detrimental to hair health and can cause hair loss. A woman's hair is or can be her crowning glory, so losing hair is very upsetting. Caring for your hair by not washing your hair or blow drying it too often can help reduce hair loss. There are other causes such as illness, stress, hormones, and nervous habits like pulling on your hair or rubbing your scalp. It is important that if your female hair loss becomes a problem for you, talk to your doctor to see what things you can try. Most hair loss can be halted or even reversed. Are you ready to try these treatments out? Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.